Welcome to Folded Reflections. This is a place where thoughts and paper are folded gently. I hope you find peace in paper and joy in slowing down. Have you ever noticed how you don't just make a mistake? You make a mistake and then punish yourself for it. As if the first moment wasn't enough. Today, I want to fold through that. I'm not even using traditional origami paper for this. I'm just using lined notebook paper on purpose because you can't hide the creases. You can't pretend it's seamless. The lines stay visible and that feels honest. So I am making a bellflower. It's actually the first origami piece I remember learning as a kid. And what I love about this, it's because there's a pattern to it. Like you can just figure out one section and then you repeat it like 4 times. So the perfectionist in me is like, oh, it's symmetrical. This is nice. So it feels like you're rotating the paper, but really you're just trusting the same motion again and again and again. So there's something calming about realizing I only have to understand this part once. Then I repeat it, even with lined paper. Even if the folds aren't exact, the structure still forms. And recently I heard a YouTuber talk about something called the second arrow. And it really hit me because the story kind of goes like this, right? The first arrow is some external circumstance, like you messed up on a project and that arrow is pain, right? So in this instance, the crease isn't perfect. Maybe you say the wrong thing, you miss a goal, you feel behind, and that's human. But then comes the second arrow when it's not external, but it's actually internal. Because you're the one hitting yourself with that second arrow again and again and again. And that's the guilt, the shame, the self-condemnation, the I should be better. Why am I like this? This proves something about me. And I realized I've been shooting that second arrow at myself so many times and kind of just staying in it. And so maybe some of you guys feel the same way. And you don't have to keep shooting that second arrow at yourself. So folding this reminds me, even when a crease is slightly off, actually the symmetry absorbs it. And then you just rotate the origami piece and you repeat and you continue, kind of like life. The lines from the notebook paper are still there and the tiny imperfections are still there, but when you open the flower, like you don't focus on each individual crease or imperfection. You actually just see the whole, and growth isn't built on flawless execution. It's built on repetition, on staying in the pattern, on allowing imperfection to exist without attaching identity to it. So why hit yourself with that second arrow 100 times for being imperfect, for being in the process? You know, I think the first arrow is enough. So here's the shift that I'm practicing. When something goes wrong, notice it, adjust it, but stop there. You don't need any extra commentary from the negativity of your thoughts. No consistent guilt loop like you've done so many times, because I know I have. Just rotate the paper, repeat the section, keep folding, keep going. It's just a small part of the rest of your life. Anyway, so I'm almost done folding all of this, and it really reminds me that it's okay to grow and to change and to be imperfect. Heck, I learned this fold when I was a kid years ago, and I am definitely an adult now. But that's the joy and the fun of this, is that in every time you try, every time you're not perfect, you get something beautiful. And look, when the bellflower opens, you can see the lines. You can see where it wasn't perfect, but it's still a flower. It's not seamless, but it is complete, and that's enough. And what's cool is that you can use a pencil or you can use any other tool in life, and you can make it beautiful even if it is imperfect. Just like what I'm doing here with, you can use a pencil, right, to roll each of the petals. It's definitely not perfect, but it's still beautiful because the journey that you just took, it ended up getting right here where you needed it to be. So thanks for watching, and until next time, it's okay to do things one fold at a time.